Okay, now we're going to put the LED strip into the piece. Just like this. And we have to glue it to the piece of wood. So in order not to allow the LED strip to move. And the LED strips usually come with a piece of protectant like this, so you can remove it. Heat gun should be, don't do this at home, kids, because you can burn yourself. Okay. So the idea is, see how the LED strip is not sticking to the piece of wood because the glue that's attached to the LED strip is not adequate enough. So you're gonna have to put some glue on it to stick it down. And this is how we do it. Don't touch the glue because it is extremely hot and you will burn yourself if you do. Okay, see how I've just added the LED strip in the groove, as you can see here. And I'm just going to wait for that to dry. Well, I'll put it closer to the camera so you guys can see. So the other end of the LED strip is on the other side of this lamp piece, and that's where our connection is going to go. That should be dry enough. So what we do is we just gently, without breaking the LED strip, because I've done this before, we want to ensure that we cover the groove with as much LED as possible in order to make sure that we have enough light that penetrates all parts of the groove area here. You'll see what I'm talking about when I start gluing the pieces on. Okay, so another piece like that. Okay. Now you see how that's all glued on like that. Now we're going to turn the LED strip and go one more, probably in the center part of it. Just like this. Actually, we might do it 3 times because the bottom part of the groove is a lot bigger than the top. This is the way I've chosen it for the design. It won't stick immediately, so you're just going to have to keep your finger on it without touching the glue. It's a little bit difficult because you can burn yourself, so be very careful. Alright, and that's how we've glued it onto the piece of wood. And now we're going to apply the crystals. So in order to make sure that we get the right crystals. I've broken some of the larger pieces of honey calcite up. It's a very soft crystal, so it's not very hard. You can break it apart. The idea is to get some small pieces in here because we don't want it to cover the LED strip like that. As you can see the LED strip, and when the light's too close to the crystal, you'll see a small little light when it's finished, so it won't look as good. Okay, let's get cracking.